You don't see anything in this world changing as fast as people's intentions and perspectives. If you have an issue with one person, talk to them. But if you have issues with everyone, it's time to talk to yourself. Everyone celebrates success, and that's fine, but learning from failure is more important. Many people have great skills but don't benefit from them because they chase money instead of hard work and effort. A tree never grieves over how many flowers it has lost. It keeps busy creating new ones. You can learn a deep lesson from the tree. No matter how much you've lost, focus on what new things you can create. Never consider yourself less than anyone because everyone has their own worth. Yes, a lamp may seem insignificant next to the sun, but in darkness, the lamp is very valuable. Instead of begging for help, use your own hands to work. In life, if you ever feel like giving up, remember that age can't tire you and failure can't defeat you. If you have determination, even defeat can't conquer you. Never stress too much over anything because stress doesn't lead to success. The most successful people are those who let go of worries. Always remember, success comes from trying, not just from wishing. You only live once, so achieve something great. If your time is bad now, no worries. One day, you'll change it. Weak people seek revenge by fighting, but smart people take revenge by becoming more successful. If you go through tough times, remember that nature plays with the best players. In life, falling is essential because once you fall, the only option left is to rise. That's the essence. When you fall, no one will come to pick you up. But if you turn around a bit, you'll find many people ready to push you down. So stop worrying about what others think or say. Focus on your goal and only pay attention to what will help you succeed. Don't copy others. Instead, be someone that others want to copy. Don't complain about difficulties because those who aim high leave challenges behind. If you still dream according to your current situation, then your mindset is truly poor. Only those who dream big reach great heights. At the end of this video, I want to say that if you want to win, build your abilities. Even dogs get lucky sometimes, but real success comes from hard work. If this video has lit even a small fire in your heart, then from today onward, with a positive mindset, start working toward your goals. I'll see you in the next video, which will fill your life with positivity and guide you in the right direction. Keep listening and subscribe to my channel, Driven by Motivation.